Hey everybody, welcome back to Jeff Also Cooks, where I can almost hear you saying, "But Jeff, I read the title. This isn't the Montreal Bagel episode." The Bagel episode part 2, Electric Bageloo, to which I will reply, I know. Honestly, I didn't have enough time to make Montreal bagels properly, but I did have a whole bunch of bananas going bad in my apartment, so we're going to be making banana bread today. Anyway, let's get started. Making banana bread is super easy, super rewarding, and a good way to get rid of those bananas that are, not so good anymore. So in a large mixing bowl, you're going to cream together half a cup of butter with 1 full cup of granulated white sugar. Make sure it's nice and incorporated, and then set it aside, because very quickly we're getting into the fun part. Get yourself another smaller bowl, about 6 overripe bananas, and some gloves. With those gloved, meaty whisks, you're gonna go ahead and crush those bananas, making sure to get as many of the lumps out as you can. You want this basically liquefied. Once your bananas have been liquefied, add 2 eggs into your sugar-egg mixture, mixing until well incorporated, and then pour in your banana mix. Once again, mix that up really nice, making sure everything is well incorporated, and then through a fine mesh sieve, you're going to add 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Once that's been sifted on top of your banana mixture, go ahead and add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and fold it all in on each other. You don't want to overmix this. A few lumps are okay, they're going to get hydrated because we are going to put this aside, during which time we are going to prep our loaf tray. This is accomplished simply by rubbing butter on the outside and then adding a bit of flour and tossing it around so it coats the interior of the loaf pan. Shake out the excess, and there you go, a nice prepped loaf pan. Deposit your liquefied banana mixture into your loaf receptacle. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm talking like that. And get it into a 350-degree oven for about an hour, or until you can insert a toothpick and it comes out clean in the center. Once the loaf's done cooking, let it rest for about 15 minutes, turn it over onto a cheap flimsy cutting board like this, and then once again flip it over onto a wire rack to cool. After about half an hour, you can now cut into this delicious banana bread, apply some butter, and there you go. Absolutely delicious, moist banana bread. It's a great way to avoid throwing out those bananas that are hanging around your apartment. It keeps really well in the fridge or the freezer, and it tastes really, really good, which is always important. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked that video, be sure to leave a like down below and let me know what you would do differently in the comments. I'll see you next week with, hopefully, the Montreal Bagel episode. See you next Thursday.